Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the battery is charged. A full LED means safe operation. Place the blade into the jar and tighten the base. This prevents leaks and wobble. Add liquids first to coat blades, then softer fruits, and finally frozen chunks. This layering reduces drag and stalls. Once done, align the jar with the motor base until it clicks, and make sure the safety interlock engages before you press the power button to start blending. You should use controlled pulses rather than continuous run. Press for 2 to 3 seconds, release briefly, and repeat. This breaks down chunks without stressing the motor. If mixture becomes too thick, tilt the jar a little to let solids move toward the blades. Make sure you don't force the motor, which can overheat. Keep an eye on the battery indicator so you know when to conserve power. If you see red, finish quickly or switch to manual stirring to avoid a dead battery mid-recipe. You stop the unit, unlock the jar, and pour or scrape contents promptly to prevent sticking and flavor loss. Rinse the blade assembly under warm soapy water right away. Always keep the motor base dry and never immerse it. If the blender stalls or slows, disconnect, remove oversized chunks, check seals, and allow a 1-2 minute cool down. Recharge if the LED shows low, then reassemble and pulse. This sequence protects the battery and motor and restores proper blending performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.